As the Scion badge resurfaces, Toyota breathes life into its pledge to chase the edges of experimental engineering and to champion performance-centric adventure. The Scion 01 concept, poised for its appearance at the 2025 SEMA show, redefines the side-by-side all-terrain rig, meticulously crafted for the enthusiast yearning for the ultimate outdoor escapade. It's not merely a vehicle, it functions as a benchmark of Toyota's knack for weaving together technology, off-road muscle, and imaginative design into a single lively vision. The Scion badge, a name that for decades has evoked innovation and creativity, is back, acting as the springboard for this dive into performance engineering. The Scion 01 concept is the product of a collaboration among Toyota's American engineers, blending deep technical expertise with an unshakable passion for off-road adventure. The payoff is a turbocharged hybrid that carries Toyota's mechanical reliability while unleashing Scion's unfettered experimental spirit. Nestled at the core of the Scion 01 concept is a high-output turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid lifted from Toyota's truck family. This refined powertrain churns out in excess of 300 horsepower, staking a claim as one of the hybrid configurations ever imagined for an off-road platform. To round it out, Silent Mode lets the vehicle run purely on power, slipping silently through the wilderness without disturbing the landscape's serenity. Raw Performance greets eco-consciousness, muscle, with a calm green demeanor, in a way that only a handful of off-road vehicles can truly pull off. The Scion 01 concept's engineering blends capability, durability, and versatility into its frame. Designed from the ground up to endure everything from blistering desert sprints to rock-laden climbs and rugged trail runs, its balanced track width and thoughtfully tuned weight distribution deliver handling that feels both razor-sharp and rock-steady. Its generous suspension articulation lets it stay planted on terrain, while the compact yet muscular frame makes threading through trails a breeze, something larger vehicles simply can't manage. Every component of the chassis and drivetrain was engineered for performance. Even in the harshest off-road conditions, the machine keeps running at its best. Safety and structural integrity take priority with the debut of a FIA spec safety cage from Toyota. This high-strength frame meets both SCORE and FIA racing standards, underscoring the company's commitment to building machines that not deliver performance, but also protect occupants. The cutting-edge cage is paired with a driveline, suspension, and braking system meticulously chosen from Toyota's parts inventory. Every component was meticulously chosen to deliver peak reliability and endurance in high-speed conditions. Visually, the Scion 01 concept feels like a proclamation of futurism and athleticism. Its stance hints at motion even while it sits still. Designed by Toyota's Calty Design Research Studio in California, the vehicle blends lines. With refined aerodynamic surfaces, sharp contours, and purposeful bodywork suggest an intent marrying style with strength. Full-width fenders, striking lighting signatures, and exposed suspension components further underline its off-road heritage while staying firmly rooted in a design language. Inside the cabin maintains that blend of form and function, wrapping a minimalist yet purposeful design language around every surface. Lightweight composites, shaped seats, and tough, long-lasting panels work together to keep marathon trail rides comfortable, while a driver-oriented cockpit delivers a strong sense of control and clear visibility. The interface was crafted to keep information at hand when the circumstances get really demanding, allowing the driver to stay fully engaged with the terrain ahead. The interior concept lays it out plainly. Toyota can seamlessly embed technology into a vehicle designed for unbridled adventure. More than a tech demo, the Scion 01 concept signals a shift in how Toyota imagines future mobility for the enthusiast crowd. The project probes how hybrid power can break free from city limits and reimagines what sustainable performance might look like when tackling off-road terrain. By marrying ingenuity with a high-output chassis, Toyota demonstrates that eco-consciousness and thrills need not be at odds. The concept is meant to spark the imagination of a wave of adventurers who crave both power and a respect for the planet. Bringing the Scion badge back onto this project feels like a loaded symbol. For years, the name has stood for daring pushes at the intersection of creativity and technology. This concept drags that spirit into a new tier of performance. Then resurfacing as a consumer brand, Scion now functions as a workshop where ideas for future performance vehicles are tried out, honed, and reinvented. It feels apt that Toyota presses on with its push, aiming to steer innovation across the entire spectrum, from EVs and hydrogen fuel cells to hybrid powertrains and rugged off-road machines. The world debut of the Scion 01 concept at the 2025 SEMA show reinforces Toyota's commitment to craft vehicles that strike a chord with enthusiasts of every lifestyle. SEMA, the arena for performance and customization, makes for the backdrop to showcase Toyota's technical depth and adventurous vision. By standing on its own, the Scion 01 concept signals how Toyota plans to shape its performance DNA for a future that blends sustainability with cutting-edge technology. Yet beyond the eye-catching performance specs, the concept also showcases Toyota's so-called portfolio approach to mobility, a strategy that mixes propulsion systems across a range of vehicle types. That mindset means an advance in one corner of the lineup feeds into the rest, keeping a loop of improvement in motion. Here, the Scion 01 concept demonstrates that blending efficiency with power can lift not only everyday road cars, but also rugged off-road machines built for pure adventure. From chassis and drivetrain to styling and purpose, every millimeter of the Scion 01 whispers a devotion to pushing boundaries, a trait woven into Toyota's DNA. Then, echoing off-road trends, the design aims to rewrite the rulebook. Fusing power, off-road toughness, and a fresh design vocabulary, it serves as a badge of a forward-thinking mindset that ties the brand's heritage to its future. Though the Scion 01 concept isn't slated for production, it does the lifting, shaping, and nudging Toyota's design and engineering direction. In practice, it's a sandbox where new ideas are teased apart, mashed together, and eventually surface in the generation of performance vehicles. The project captures the essence of what makes off-roading so captivating: freedom, adventure, and discovery, while anchoring it firmly within today's push for sustainability and technological advancement. Conceived as a testament to Toyota's pursuit of engineering and design perfection, the Scion 01 concept redefines the side-by-side, a hybrid-driven blend of capability and expressive styling. In a display of Toyota's push for greener mobility, the Scion 01 concept shows that you don't have to pick between thrilling performance and environmental responsibility. While the concept probably won't make it onto a production line, the ideas it carries are poised to shape the future of off-road engineering. By reimagining performance for a rugged setting, Toyota keeps the conversation about what's next in mobility alive, and at the same time raises the bar for creativity, capability, and sustainability in automotive design.